Ever been in a situation where you need to send money to a friend, but your bank transfer app takes forever? You're scrambling to pay them back for that concert ticket, that emergency pizza delivery, or maybe a friendly bet that went south. Fear not, fellow millennial financial whiz, because that's where Venmo comes in. But is Venmo truly the instant money transfer hero it claims to be? Can you rely on it to get your cash where it needs to be in a flash, or will you be left hanging with that awkward transfer pending notification? Buckle up, because in today's video, we're diving deep into the world of Venmo deposits and uncovering the truth behind their speed. The classic bank transfer, slow and steady wins the race, maybe. Let's start with the most common way to move money around on Venmo, the standard bank transfer. It's the free option, which is always a win. But here's the catch, it's not exactly known for its lightning speed. We're talking 1 to 3 business days for the funds to hit your friend's account. So, if you're hoping to settle up for that spontaneous weekend getaway this method might leave you both a little disappointed. Here's a breakdown of the timeline. Ideally, if you initiate the transfer before 7 p.m. Eastern Time on a weekday, the money might arrive the next business day. After 7 p.m., it gets pushed to the following day for processing. Weekends throw another wrench in the works, as transfers initiated then won't start moving until Monday. And of course, don't forget about holidays, which can add another day to the waiting game. The Venmo Instant Transfer, need for speed, with a fee. But wait. There's another option for the impatient souls out there. Venmo offers an instant transfer feature. This bad boy promises to get your money to your friend's bank account within 30 minutes. That's faster than your average pizza delivery. Sounds amazing, right? Well, yes and no. The convenience comes at a cost. Venmo charges a 1.75% fee on the transfer amount, with a minimum of 25 cents and a maximum of $25. So, if you're sending a small amount, the fee might eat into a significant portion of it. So, when should you use each option? Here's the thing, there's no one-size-fits-all answer. It all depends on your specific situation. Need to pay your roommate back for groceries right now? Instant transfer might be worth the fee. However, if you're comfortable waiting a few days and want to save some cash, the standard bank transfer is the way to go. Beyond speed, other considerations. While speed is a major factor, there are other things to keep in mind with Venmo deposits. For instance, both you and your friend need to have linked bank accounts or debit cards to your Venmo profiles for any transfers to happen. Also, Venmo has daily and weekly transfer limits, so if you're sending or receiving large sums, you might need to break it down into multiple transactions. The final verdict, Venmo deposits, speedy, sometimes, and convenient, always. So, the final verdict on Venmo deposits? They're not always instantaneous, but they offer a good balance between speed and convenience. The standard bank transfer is a great free option for non-urgent transactions, while the instant transfer is a lifesaver when you need that money there yesterday, with a small fee attached. Ultimately, the choice depends on your needs and priorities. Just remember to factor in the waiting times and potential fees before hitting that send button. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.